What's up, guys? I am about to fix this Acura MDX here. I'm fixing it for Clean Max. They're actually going to come clean my grout later, in case you're curious. But if you have an MDX, then you will know about these dents. If you don't know about the dents, then you might soon if you park in parking lots. Anyways, I'll flip the camera around and show you what we're looking at here. Alright, so we're on this MDX. This is super common. You can see the body line that runs right down the middle of the door. It actually sticks out the furthest point of anything, and so you get all these dents right down the body line. There's about 4. You can see the little guys there, that line break, the light breaking right there, you can see. So I can see about 3 in here, but there's like 4 or 5 down this body line, some on the front door. So I'll fix them up and give you guys an after video. Right here on the MDX. Fixed up this body line. Try to get you guys an angle from far away. It's pretty hard to tell. They were pretty minor as when we started, but move this out of the way, get a natural reflection, see if you can see. There you go. So they were all along this body line, super standard stuff, just because it sticks out so far. I fixed a lot of MDXs like this. So anyways, thank you guys for watching.